In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy stitch designs to Figma, step by step. By the end, you'll have your stitch layouts converted into editable Figma frames with text, images, and basic structure ready to refine. Start by opening your stitch project. Make sure you're in the project that contains the design you want to bring over. Once you're there, look for the export option. Click export, and in the export choices, select download as zip. This bundles your HTML and assets into one file that the Figma plugin can read. Save the zip somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder, and don't unzip it. The plugin needs the file exactly as downloaded. Now switch to Figma and open the design file where you want the content to appear. It can be a fresh file or an existing project. Just make sure you have an empty area or a page ready so you can clearly see what gets imported. In the top bar, click Actions, then choose Plugins and Widgets. If your interface looks slightly different, that's okay. What you need is the place where Figma lets you browse and run plugins. From there, open Plugins and Widgets so you can search the Figma community tools. In the search field, type Stitch to Figma. From the results, select the plugin named Convert Stitch HTML Designs to Figma Designs. This is the tool that translates the exported Stitch HTML into Figma-friendly layers. Click it to open, and then click Run to start the process. The plugin will prompt you to upload your zip. Choose the exact zip you just downloaded from Stitch. You can drag and drop it into the window or use the file picker, depending on what the interface shows. After you upload, the conversion begins. Larger projects may take a moment, so give it time to process. When it finishes, you'll see your imported frames appear in the Figma canvas. They typically include text layers, images, and grouped sections that reflect the structure from Stitch. This is a great point to check alignment, fonts, and any components you plan to turn into reusable styles. If assets look off, verify that you uploaded the correct zip and that the export included all necessary files. And that's it. Congratulations. You opened your Stitch project, exported it as a zip, moved to Figma, launched the right plugin, ran it, and uploaded your zip to convert everything into editable Figma designs. Save your file, organize the frames into pages if needed, and you're ready to iterate in Figma.